Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add music into your YouTube shorts in your mobile. To do that, first open your YouTube app. Then click on plus icon in the middle bottom. You can record your video or choose it from your gallery. I will choose a random video. Then click on next and click on add a sound on the top of the screen and select the song or music you want to add in your video. After that, click on next. Here you can add details to your video. After filling all this information, click on upload short. Your YouTube short will be uploaded. And this is how you can add music into YouTube shorts in your phone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.